The user interface can be operated via touch display or via 5 buttons. The menu of the air conditioning service device is structured as follows. On the right, you will see 2 pressure gauges. HP stands for the high pressure gauge, LP for the low pressure gauge. On the left-hand side, you can select the various operating modes. The first item stands for pre-selection of vehicle-specific settings. There are 3 preset configuration types available here, which differ in their default values. When a configuration is selected, these presets are applied to automatic mode and manual operation. In automatic mode, the steps of release, evacuation, and injection are performed automatically in sequence. In manual mode, various functions can be selected separately. These include hose cleaning, release, evacuation, injection, HP-LP pressure test, external pressure test. In the setup sub-item, various parameters can be changed or output. Units, date and time, firmware update, workshop data, balance sheet, language, printout text size, and print mode. In the maintenance selection, you can carry out the necessary device maintenance. Here you will find, among other things, the refrigerant cylinder replacement procedure, the linearity check of the scale, or the extended device check. In the Overview sub-item, you will find the current system values. The service operating mode is password protected and reserved for authorized service personnel only. Please refer to the manual for an explanation of the various items.